You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is n smaller than negative 1955 over 13 smaller than negative 1505 over 13. Let's solve it step by step. Isolate the n. Divide both sides by negative 13. Whenever you multiply or divide by a negative, reverse the inequality sign. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the fraction. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is n smaller than negative 1955 over 13 smaller than negative 1505 over 13.